Okay, so hello and welcome to my Blizzard in a Jar project. My guiding question is, how do blizzards form in the winter? And my materials needed for the Blizzard in a Jar would be white paint, quarter cup of water, baby oil, blue food coloring, glitter, 2 Alka-Seltzer tablets, and a mini bowl. So, my steps are, put white paint into the mini bowl. Then we would need to put the blue food coloring into the paint. And put in the cup of water, in the quarter cup of water. Oh wait, first you need to put the glitter in though.
Okay. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Is that enough glitter?
You can add something
You can.
to the.
Yeah, I know. And then you put the water in.
Pour it quick, quick, quick. Because it'll go down. Yeah.
And then we need to mix up this popsicle stick.
Okay, you know the instructions. Don't read them.
Then you need to set this aside and put in the jar. And you would fill it 3/4 way with baby oil.
Yep. Dad, do you want to get him that other one over there?
I already have it.
No, we'll save that one for your experiment. There's one that Dad's got over here.
Over here too.
Okay, the one that's open, yeah.
And then you would need to put in some of the glitter. Just 1 sprinkle though. Then mix the paint water into the jar.
Pour it real quick. Good.
Then you would need to put in the 2 Alka-Seltzer tablets in. Yeah, 1 Alka-Seltzer tablet in. Break it in half.
Good. Yeah.
Good job.
Put it in. Put it in. Close the lid. And then observe.
And what are we seeing?
You're seeing the blizzard in the jar.
Good.
Look at that. So give us your paragraph. Explain it.
Okay, so the answer to my guiding question. For a blizzard to form, warm air must rise over cold air. There are 2 ways this may happen. Winds pull cold air toward the equator from the poles and bring warm air towards the poles from the equator. When warm air and cold air are brought together, a front is formed, precipitation occurs. The blizzard in a jar forms because oil is less dense than water. The water will naturally sink to the bottom of the jar. When the Alka-Seltzer is dropped into the jar, the interaction with the water creates pressure in an upward direction, and the oil pushes it back down. This pressure moves back and forth and is part of what creates the blizzard in the jar.
Very good. Good job.
Good.
Excellent.
Good job.
Good job.